Hi again! Today we've got On Wings of Song by Felix Mendelssohn. And this arrangement comes out of this book, Famous and Fun Classics, Book 1 by Carol Matz. I already have a video that shows that melody being played exactly as written in the book with the backing track that you can practice along with. But if you want a little bigger challenge, what I'm going to do is show you how to put all of the melody notes in the right hand, and then we'll put chords in the left hand. So let's take a look. I'm going to take the melody, instead of having it around middle C, I'm going to bump it up an octave. That'll give us more room for left-hand chords. And the fingering that I'm giving you is based on not having your hands stretch out much more than a sixth. So I'm going to start with the G and stretch to the E. And then we're going to bounce to the second E, and that puts us back into a C home bass. And then we'll stretch down to get that B, then we'll lift, and then bounce to third finger, and then I'm going to switch to 3 to make C home bass, stretch again, so that is our basic melody. Now the chords, we only really need 2 chords and then 1 extra D minor chord. So our basic chord will be the C major chord. If you've only learned chord shells, you could do that and not play the middle note, but I'm going to play all 3. And then we've got a G chord. You could either go up here or down here. And then another C chord, G chord, and then a D minor chord, and that's all that we've got. So let me give it a whirl and you can take a look. Alright, so that is a good basic version. We can add a little rhythm to that, a nice little oom-pa. And then if you want to branch out and get a little fancier, there are some options that we can do with the chords. So the G is technically a G7 chord. So here's our G chord, and to make something the 7th, you keep going and you add another skip or another third to the top. So in root position, that's the way this would look. We usually don't play all 3. In this song, I think it would sound nice just to do that. So we'd have... Then the other option you could do for a G7 is put it right here. So we're starting in C home, and if you just move your pinky down, there is our G7 note. You could play that one, but we oftentimes don't, and that would look like this. And then you could mix and match those options in this song too. I'm going to keep going here. I'll measure 10. So that gives you some choices. Have fun with it. I'll see you in the next video.